Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a very beautiful, very exquisite, eye-catchy and a very trendy, easy to make latest designer style neckline embroidery patterns, Indian designer suits, Indian designer kurti design ideas, and all of these design patterns are simply user friendly, beginner friendly, hand embroidery stitches based with a very beautiful, exquisite and stylish collection and pattern base. So if you are an embroidery beginner, or you are an embroidery artist, or you are in the search of very beautiful and eye-catchy, amazing and easy to make hand embroidery designer style patterns, then you can become a designer of your own by sitting at your home and just following these patterns, these color combinations, and do try them. You can also use these exact patterns of hand embroidery for making machine embroidery patterns, fabric painting, as well as any sort of hand art like silk ribbon embroidery as well. So if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And friends, not only this, on my channel you can get creative, stylish, amazing, trendy and eye-catchy, crazy ideas of women fashion world with every rising day. So stay tuned, stay updated, keep watching our content. And if you want to get more stylish and trendy ideas related to hand art, hand embroidery, crochet work, crochet designing ideas, mirror work, gota work, machine embroidery, embroidery patterns, different types of baby girl dress designing ideas, home decor ideas, bed sheets, cushions, pillows, and many more creative hoop art, creative girls stylish accessories, then don't forget to watch my content on daily basis. And please make a habit of massively sharing my videos with your friends and family who are a crazy lover of fashion designing, so that we could grow up into a large and a remarkable number of friends and family of YouTube.